Hello friends, this is my first video on YouTube on the topic sentence. So let's start. What is sentence? A sentence is a group of words put together in a certain order, giving a complete sense. For example, mother is cooking food. It is correct or not? No, this is not a correct and not a sentence also. So you can say that it is a group of words. Yes, it is a group of words but not giving complete sense. That's why it is not a sentence. So move to the next. Sentence structure: subject, verb, and object. Mother is a cooking food. It is a correct sentence. So what is mother? Mother is a subject, and what is it? Is cooking is a verb, and food is a object. So move to the next. Types of verb. There are two types of verb: action verb and helping verb. What is action verb? Shows physical or mental action is called action verb. For example, cooking, likes, and threw. And next, helping verb. What is a helping verb? Helps. The main verb shows tense or mood. For example, is, am, are. Move to the next. A sentence begin with a capital letter and end with a full stop or question mark or exclamation mark. It is very important. You have to remember that a sentence begins with a capital letter and it has end with punctuation mark. Move to the next. For example, she is a beautiful girl and he likes mangoes. And what a cute puppy. What is your name? These are examples of sentence and punctuation example. Move to the next. Parts of sentence. There are two parts of sentence: subject and predicate. What is subject? The part which names the person or things we are spoken about. And what is predicate? The part which tells something about the subject. Move to the next. Subject. A subject is a part of a sentence that contains the person or things performing the action in a sentence. ठीक है? You can find the subject of a sentence if you can find the verb. Ask the correct question: who or what? Verb or verbed? And the answer to that question is the subject, and remaining the object. Next, what is predicate? A predicate is a part of sentence that makes a statement about the subject. And second, predicate specify what the subject is, does, or tell what is done to the subject. For example, he was cooking dinner. And what is he is a subject, and was cooking dinner, it is a predicate. And what is Radha? Radha is a subject. Threw the ball is predicate. So thank you all. I hope you liked the video, and please share, subscribe, and like and comment below. Thank you.